The gasket is a strip of rubber that fits tightly into a groove along the door's edge. The gasket seals in cold air and prevents moist ambient air from entering the unit. While gaskets can become dislodged, they can easily be reseated by simply pressing them back into place. The gasket is magnetic, but also has a nib that presses securely into the door channel. The gasket should be cleaned periodically with a solution of 1 tablespoon mild dish detergent and ½ gallon of water. Use a wet sponge, soft toothbrush, or microfiber cloth to gently scrub away any dirt or grime. Dry the gasket with a clean, soft cloth. After cleaning, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to the gasket's contact surface with a paper towel or cotton swab. Lubricate as much of the rubber as you can reach. Note, a very thin layer is all that is required.